The Silva method is many things, really, but to be able to get the foundation, the beginning points correctly, let's say it's in so many words, is a method of mind training that develops the control of our mind. Method of exercises of mental training that gives us control, because it is said, Laura, that usually it is believed that a non-controlled mind is always destructive. So we say to be constructive and creative, we need to discipline our mind. And that we call control of our minds. When we say mind control, Laura, we mean our own self-mind control, not somebody else's minds, okay? Self or outer mind control. So it's a series of mental exercises, mental gymnastics, whereby we develop the faculty of visualization and imagination to be able to better control our minds. That's what it means.
Μέσα από αυτή τη μέθοδο αλλάξαμε τον τρόπο να σκεπτόμαστε και να αντιμετωπίζουμε τη ζωή.
Μας μετέφερε και μας ταξίδευσε σε μικρά πραγματάκια.
Ήρθα εδώ έχοντας μια πολύ αρνητική ψυχολογία και φεύγω με ένα απίστευτο χαμόγελο.
Ευχαριστούμε που μας βοηθάτε να κάνουμε πιο ευχάριστη και καλύτερη ζωή.
Και να θυμάστε ότι η Silva αλλάζει ζωές.